Pepe once again stands above as the #1 meme coin with a big push up on the week. However, it looks like it's an opportunity if people were going to buy in. We've got a 5% retracement. I'm going to talk a little bit about it in this video, the market sentiment and why Pepe could be about to see a massive rally. If that's something you're interested in, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Smash a like on this video, the only YouTube crypto channel out there that can fundamentally push the market depending on the number of likes on this video. So with that being said, let's get into the overall meme market. You see there, Pepe holding the #1 place by volume by over $100 million. You can see the price there, 15.55. We just started to move on the last hour. The market is just starting to turn 0.78, and we got on the 24 hours 5.5% retracement, but 55% up on the week. Pepe going insane, but there is some incredibly important signs to look at when it comes to Pepe that could show that there is a big move coming around the corner. So ultimately, what did we get this week? And I talked about this in one of my previous videos, but ultimately, while the rest of the market began fading, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Pepe absolutely started to send it. The sentiment team has named a likely reason for Pepe's growth. Whales have been heavily engaging on its way up. Now, we saw that yesterday, a 3.58 trillion Pepe buy that came in, which is absolutely fantastic to see, which shows people are, in my opinion, moving from SHIB. And you can see there, look, SHIB has declined 3.5%. into Pepe, and I've talked about this pretty much nearly every live stream and every video now for quite some time, that if Pepe gets to the bull market, I think you need to strap in, because I think Pepe could be huge, and we'll bring you all the latest with that. But he says within the last 24 hours, the coin growth constitutes slightly under 10%. In the meantime, the two leading meme cryptocurrencies, Doge and Shiba Inu, have begun to slump after a large recent growth. Doge down 2%, and over the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu down 3.43. Is this people? Are the whales moving into Pepe rather than Shiba Inu? And they've got to understand what would be the reason right now. Shiba Inu is still letting customers or investors down. The Shibarium launch still hasn't happened. We had a huge rally in the meme space. Shibarium should have come out at that point. Doge will always just be Dogecoin. So people right now speculating that the price of BTC is going to push the price of meme coins as well as the altcoins out there, and Pepe could be well set to see a massive move. What else do we get? We see 336,000 followers right now on Pepe, so the community continues to grow, and wherever you've got something like Shiba Inu on Doge, you have to have a massive community that sits behind it. You can see there 336 followers on Twitter, which is fantastic, but more importantly, another 0.5% move on holders, 124,049 wallets holding Pepe, and again, a definite step up. So as this continues, more people coming in, and you've got to understand that why this is important. When people come in at a slightly different level than what was there before, then that becomes almost the new floor for these individuals, and the price continues to move up. This is ultimately how you drive massive market adoption, and equally how you can send prices back to all-time highs and beyond. If you think Shiba Inu getting to 1 million holders is how you really can drive a huge mass adoption when it comes to this. So good to see that we're still in the green, 124,000 holders still on Pepe, which again is good news. And you can see some of the holders out there right now continue to stack and increase their holdings. OKX, Binance, Crypto.com, like I said, links in the description. Check them out. You can get yourself some fantastic discounts and bonuses by signing up with BYBIT and OKX and MEXC in the description. So definitely go and check those out for sure. Now, when we take a look at the price action of Pepe, which is always good to see, we see this downward trend. We saw this downward trend that came tighter and tighter and then broke out to the upside, looking for some support off the 14.94 range. We did actually come down and test it and then bounce off, so that's a positive. 17.91 is the next price point we'll be looking for Pepe to break through and hold as we start to work our way back up. Now, if you take a look a little bit nearer, if we go on the 4-hour chart, you can see that there is a real level of consolidation between this 14.94, 17.91, almost bouncing perfectly between that in a number of different wicks. So we'll see how this kind of plays out. But all in all, important to see how Pepe kind of plays out. But the market is loving it right now. I think as these ETFs get signed off, as Bitcoin starts to pump, we could see a massive spike both in meme coins and in Pepe coins, all of which we are definitely going to be here to see. If you take a look at the market sentiment in entirety, we see we're a $1.18 trillion market cap Bitcoin there, just starting to move in the last hour. So again, could be very interesting going into a Sunday, and then obviously we are into the new week. Could we truly see 4 more Bitcoin ETFs get signed off? I think if we get them, then we could certainly see a massive spike. We could even see, and I hate to use this sentiment, we could even see the beginnings of the bull run quite possibly. Let me know down below though in the comments. What do you think? What do you think of Pepe? Are you still holding? And what do you think of this bull run potential? I'm very interested to know what you think. And as always, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. A lot of you guys don't subscribe to the channel. We keep up to date with everything going on in cryptocurrency, Pepe, Terra Luna Classic, and the rest. And if you want to see something else, drop it down below in the comments. I'm always open to any discussions. Follow me on Twitter and let's get there. As ever, thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.